Skylights can be a perfect solution to bring more natural light into your space and add a unique vibe. But how can you create a skylight in Planner 5D? Let's find out in this tutorial. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss our upcoming tutorials. First, hide the wall on the side where you want to create the skylight. Next, find the magic cube in the catalog. It will form part of the roof. Press and hold Shift to rotate the cube as shown. Drag it upward to adjust the height, then stick it to the wall. Now divide the side walls. Change the magic cube's texture and hide the divided wall parts. Duplicate the magic cube to create the other side of the roof. To fill the center, duplicate it once more, then adjust its size and height. Your skylight space is ready. Next, let's build the walls. In the roof section, find the triangle item. Adjust its size, height, and texture. Then duplicate it for the right side. Using the magic cube, build the front wall, adjusting its size, height, and texture. Do the same for the side walls. Now your skylight space is complete. If you'd like to learn how to create a glass ceiling for your skylight, check out our video, How to Create a Glass Ceiling. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments which tutorial you'd like to see next. You'll also find a link to a free pro trial in the description. See you in the next video. Bye!